Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2010 Harley Davidson Dyna Fat Bob CVO. This power bike has just over 7,500 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. So the CVO is custom vehicle operations, so a lot of this was done straight from Harley. Tires appear to be in good shape. It's got aftermarket pedals, driver pegs, and passenger pegs. It also comes with a Screamin' Eagle air intake, as well as matching leather saddlebags that match the seats. Rear tire as well appears to be in good shape. And again, the aftermarket passenger pegs, as well as the aftermarket driver pegs, which are convertible pegs. So the insides flip out into a heel rest, and then we've got aftermarket pedals on it too. Aftermarket grips and mirrors. And then we have got a quick release clear windscreen on it. Just a beautiful bike. And as you can see, being as it's a CVO, it comes with the Screamin' Eagle 110 in it. 7508 is what's on it. This 2010 CVO Fat Bob will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this custom from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.